Hello, let us talk more about the MicroPython. So in the previous tutorials we have talked more on the command line prompt options. So in this tutorial we will see how to access the files inside the ESP8266, also write to those files and then read the content of those files. So let us start. So here this is the prompt from the Teraterm. So basically to import to access the file system or the contents of the OS, there is a module called OS on MicroPython. So you just import those contents, and then if you want to list the directories, all the files that are present. So now these are the different files that are created and present on the current ESP8266 board. So now let us try to read, create a file and then write contents to it. Suppose let us assume that we are trying to enable a pin, okay, and then trying to write the contents of those pin. So if you see pin dot on, if you say on, it powers on. Now to read the value, so it is 0. So now what we'll do is we have to write the content of that pin. Let us assume we want to write the content of that pin to a file. So these are generally used in cases where in the production environments, if you want to test a particular pin and save those contents, you can write small scripts, small kind like this, and then write the contents. So let us assume we create a file. Now it is still file 3, file 2 will create a file 3 with a write option. Okay, so we have created a file and then what we can do is let us assume we read the value of pin to k. Okay, so and then file dot write off, we convert this into a string because it writes only string values. So we have written 1 byte here. You can see here it is 1 here, so that means 1 byte. So now let us assume we want to read the contents. File dot read off. Okay, oh, there is a access error, so let us assume we want to open it again. Sorry, just open the file, file3.txt. okay, and now file dot read off. You can see a null has been written to this, and so this is how we read the contents of a file. So what we have done here is basically, first we have checked what are the contents of what are the file contents at present in the ESP8266, and then we have tried to check the status of the pin, try to power on and check the status of the pin, and then we created a file3.txt with write operation, and then we have tried to write the status of the pin to this file. Now what we did is we just try to open the file again and then check the contents. So if you see here os.listdir, okay, so you can see now you have file 3 as well. So this is how in MicroPython you can access the file system on a ESP8266 from a REPL and write contents to it. So you can use it with some complex requirements like writing a list or whatever based on your requirement. So this basically is used in some production environments where you want to monitor the status of particular pins. Thank you.